a wood floor but also tiles and carpet with white vinegar. Today's video will discuss how to clean your floors with white vinegar. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. You can buy different cleaning products for pretty much every little cleaning task you can think of, but often the best solution is also the simplest one. Take white vinegar for example. You can use it for so many different things. The things we want to tell you about today is how to clean floors with this product. You can use it on laminate floors, tiles, vinyl and carpet. It's cheap, doesn't contain nasty chemicals, and you probably already own a bottle of it. Why does vinegar work? Vinegar has a pH value of around 2.5, which means it's very acidic. Because of this, it's capable of very easily dissolving dirt and lime. It also has two disinfect properties, although it doesn't work just as well as alcohol, of course. That's why it's smart to use cleaning products that are a little stronger for truly dirty cleaning tasks. Don't use vinegar on natural stone because it can leave behind stains. Don't use it on unpolished wooden floors either. This is how you clean your floors with white vinegar. 1. This is how you mop floors with white vinegar. Vinegar is ideal when it comes to mopping hard surfaces made of materials like tiles, vinyl, and laminate. Make sure that you properly vacuum your floor before you start mopping, especially with wooden floors. Dirt and dust can cause scratches when you start mopping. Next, take a bucket and mix together 4 liters of water and half a cup of white vinegar. Use this to mop your floors. Do make sure you properly wring out the mop before you start. Let the floor dry afterward. 2. This is how you clean carpets with white vinegar. This might sound strange, but you can also use vinegar to clean your carpet floor. If your carpet has started to emit a not so pleasant smell, for example, you can freshen it up using the following mixture. Add a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of white vinegar, and 2 cups of warm water to spray bottle and mix it together. Spray this onto your carpet to freshen it up. You can also remove stain using vinegar. Mix half a cup of vinegar with half a cup of water and apply this to the stain. Let it sit and soak for a little while and then dab at it with a cloth. Don't rub it because it will only make the stain worse. Have you ever known about these uses of white vinegar? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.